All right, folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. We have a 2025 Flame Red Ram Rebel here with the mustache grill. That's the new for 2025. Also the Sports Performance hood. You got the beefier tires here. Nice rims and tires here. This one has the running boards on it. Crew cab, so that's the big doors at the back there. Let's take a look at the inside here with the red trimmed interior. You got the power pedals here. Instrumentation display, so you can have your GPS or whatever you want there. 12-inch. You can get a 14.5-inch display now. Let's open this up here and you'll see that this moves all the way up and down. You can get dual charging. This one doesn't have the wireless charging, or does it? Oh, it does have wireless charging just on the one side. There's a glove box there. Garage door opener here. This one doesn't have the panoramic sunroof, but you can get that. You can get full leather, or this is just kind of part leather, part premium cloth here. Very comfortable here. Let's take a look around at the back doors. So the new body style is 4 extra inches of space here. It has the flat floor, and you'll see the nice interior here. And when nobody's in the back seat, I push this down so that you can see a little bit better. This will open up as well. Also, got some space under there. This will come out, and you can see that you could use that as a ruler as well. This will fold down for extra cargo space, all-weather mats. You could fit an iPad in there or a tablet. This one doesn't have the back heated seats. Optional equipment you can get, where you can get reclining seats, heated seats, air-cooled seats in the back. This doesn't have it. No more cap on the gas cap, just in and out. This isn't electric, just pure gas, and it's the new twin-turbo 3-liter Hurricane engine. Rebel graphics on the back here, 5.7 box. Dual exhaust tips, aluminum tailgate that folds down nice and soft. We can add a bed liner here if you want, box cover if you want. All accessories that can be added. The black badging on here. This one has the hitch with the connectivity there for you. Parking sensors right here. Fender flares, low profile. Again, there's another look at the back. And the front, maybe I'll get in the front and we'll have a better look at the front here. So 2 glove boxes here. Just want to show you that real quick here. 2025 Ram Rebel. Very nice. 2-tone, so you can get monotone, all the same color, or with the black trim at the bottom there. So there's a good look at the 2025 Rebel by Ram. Let's take a look at the window sticker here quickly here. Let's sit inside. Okay, parking sensors on or off there. No trailer brake control on this one here. So you got your axle lock here, and all your buttons: automatic stop start, auto, 4x4. Never used to have that on the Rebel. This one doesn't have air suspension either. And on your key fob, you got unlock, lock, remote start, tap twice, and tailgate release. You just tap it twice and it'll go down. Okay. Ram. Alpine stereo, 9 speakers. This one's missing the heads-up display and the digital mirror, but still has a nice mirror. Spot for your sunglasses here. All your buttons are tailgate release up there as well. Lights on and off. Okay. And your rear power sliding rear mirror at the back. Here is the window sticker there. So those are the options. You can pause it on the screen there. Here's your warranty information, and here is your gas mileage. So 9.8 liters. This is in Canada, so that's liters per 100 kilometers. Okay, and it's at Dodge City, so come and check it out. Okay, talk to you soon. MarkSugarDrives.com. Find me at Dodge City on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue in Saskatoon.